Every dollar in your bank account was created out of thin air, not printed, created. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on fractional reserve banking, the invisible system controlling all of our money. Most people think money is printed by the government and distributed to banks. Wrong. In the modern banking system, commercial banks, not the government, create most of the money in circulation. In the US, roughly 97% of money exists as digital entries in bank ledgers. Only 3% is physical cash. When you deposit $1,000 in a bank, that bank doesn't just store your cash, it lends most of it out. Here's how it works. The Federal Reserve requires banks to hold a reserve ratio, a percentage of deposits they must keep. Historically 10%, though since 2020, the US reserve requirement is technically 0%. So a bank takes your $1,000 deposit, keeps $100 in reserve, and lends out $900. That $900 gets deposited in another bank, which keeps $90 and lends out $810. This chain continues until your original $1,000 has created nearly $10,000 in the economy. That's the money multiplier. The Federal Reserve, the US central bank, controls how much money enters the economy. They do this through interest rates and open market operations, buying or selling government bonds to add or remove money from circulation. When the Fed lowers rates, borrowing is cheap, money supply expands, economy grows. When they raise rates, borrowing gets expensive, money contracts, inflation slows. This is why Fed announcements move markets. Inflation, the declining purchasing power of money, is a built-in feature of this system. Every year, new money is created, and every dollar you hold buys slightly less. This is why keeping cash under your mattress is a guaranteed loss. Money saved in a 0.5% savings account loses value to 3% inflation every year. The only way to protect your wealth is to own assets that grow faster than inflation. Stocks, real estate, businesses. The banking system is not a neutral storage facility. It's an active money creation machine that profits from lending your deposits. Understanding this gives you the power to make smarter decisions, keep minimal cash, invest in inflation-beating assets, and understand why debt-based economies always trend toward inflation. Share this video with someone who still thinks money is just printed. Subscribe for more financial deep dives every week.